The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Caldwell County, southeastern Hayes County, northern Guadalupe County, south central Travis County, west central Bastrop County, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over San Marcos, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, San Marcos, Kyle, Lockhart, Austin Bergstrom International Airport, Martindale, Uman, Mustang Ridge, Meadowald, Staples, Creedmoor, San Marcos Regional Airport, Mata, Maxwell, Reedville, Redwood, Lytton Springs, Dale, St. John Colony, and Mendoza. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.